including the United States, including all that we have known and cared for, will sink into the abyss of a new dark age, made more sinister and perhaps more protracted by the lights of perverted science. Let us, therefore, brace ourselves to our duties, and so bear ourselves that if the British Empire and its Commonwealth last for 1,000 years, men will still say, this was their finest hour.
Hey, Obama, don't you treat us wrong. Ho, ho, hey, tell me what I say. Ho, ho, hey, tell me what I say. Dream of MLK. Now it's real, but it's not done. Matter of fact, it's just begun. Strange bitter fruit, now it's sweet, but it's not ripe enough to eat. IMS, I must say, the promise Obama is only kept in you today. It was made to others. Frederick Douglass. OG, Old School Harriet, a.k.a. Moses. Cynthia, Carol, Denise, and Addie Mae. Stovepipe Abe and Gold Glory Shaw. Susan B. and my great-granddaddy, Colonel Hiram H. The working man Caesar, Chavez, Yes We Can, and Balasan, Makanaja and Bugone Geshig, Sergeant Kashif and Harvey Milk, the Honorable Sad Sake, hey, he's got to be happy, James and Andrew and Michael, and that's just to name a few. So many others were promised too, and it took all of us to make it come true. T2T, truth to tell. P to you, props to you. In 3009 they well may say, this was the start of our finest hour, but T2P, truth to power. Now you have promises to keep, and miles to go, before you sleep. No more Fugazi shady, boo-boo-head lady, Pfizer plays. Ho, ho, hey, tell me what I say. Ho, ho, hey, tell me what I say. We don't expect no more Cuban inks. Torture by any other name, it still stinks. No more laying us off and important poison toys made with third world slave wage toil. No more blood for oil. Both green machines need cleaning, but for the peeps pleasing, not for the greasing of the same old masses. Everybody should get a doctor and axe that Centauromonious pink triangle bashing pastor. Stop Lawson. Don't forget the vet. And oh yeah, Obama, make sure you get that sucker Osama. Like Lieutenant Flipper and Jackie R, you'll know the burden. Being the first, it's a hard bar, a heavier obligation. You Mac Daddy Mark Tony OG, a flying oration. You Primo Black Octavian of Melting Pot Nation. But remember what slaves whispered in their ears. Memento Mori. It's due in the sun. All those cheers. And during your fine, towering hour of power, don't forget what your boy Spy D's say. It comes with great responsibility. Don't arrogantly ignore that like Darth Bushborg Cheney. Too busy plotting to be Augustus. Be a superhero and shit. Stand for truth and justice and the American Tao. Wow, U.S. us, we too, we've got fences to mend, wounds given and got to tend, unfork our tongues, then walk our talk, start flying Tuskegee straight, assist in love, don't bomb and hate, we've been zombies, much too long, forgot that to protect, not prey upon the weak, is what it is, being strong. So ho ho hey, tell me what I say. Ho, ho, hey, tell me what I say. Ho, ho, hey, tell me what I say. The dream of MLK, now it's real, but it's not done. Matter of fact, it's just begun. We have promises to keep, and miles to go before we sleep. Pax and T2P, this be Dr. E. Mabuhay on America. Democracy, go brah. Democracy, now.